Today we're making margarita pizzas for lunch at the Fourneau factory. The basil is coming from our next door neighbor's artesian farm in New Buffalo, Michigan. It's a vertical farm. Corey, who manages the farm, gave us a walk around today, showed us the beautiful lettuces, the beautiful kales, and the insanely large-leaved basil that they're growing. And she's hooking us up with the basil for our pizzas. The sauce is coming from a classic pasta sauce recipe from Marcella Hassan. And we're using Kenji Lopez Alt's Chicago Tavern-style pizza recipe for the dough. Visit fourneauoven.com for today's lunch recipes. We also got this sauce and dough recipe off of New York Times Cookin'.